So hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. If bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, please subscribe and click the bell notification para ma-update ka sa ating bagong video. So guys, gumamit ako ng dalawang account and then gumawa ako ng 4 transaction guys, okay? Para mas malis yung ating babayaran kasi nag-take advantage ako doon sa $5 off when your total is $12 and $15 and $20. Okay? So, unang transaction ko guys is itong ating Gerber, itong ating $1 na cookies, at itong ating Maybelline guys. Itong Maybelline guys is, may deal sila dito guys na when you buy 2, you get 5 register reward. So, yan guys. Okay? On next purchase, when you buy 2 participating products. So, kapag bibili ka ng dalawa, is bibigyan ka nila ng $5 register reward. So, ito na nga yun siya. Okay? Makakatanggap ka lang ng ganito. And then, yan na siya. Ito na. Okay? So, yung total lahat ng yan is $12.27. Pero guys, hindi ako nagbayad ng ganoong kalaki. So, ipapakita, yung binayaran ko na lang dyan is $2.65. So, paano ko ginawa guys? Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung resibo. Yeah. So, ito na siya guys. Yan. Yung ating Gerber na $3.29. Yung ating dalawang Maybelline na tig $3.90, at yung ating cookies na $1. So, ito na yun siya guys. Pasok siya sa $12. Kaya may $5 off ako. So, yung total na lang natin is $7.27 plus tax na 38 cents is equals to $7.65. So, nag-redeem tayo ng 5,000 points o equivalent yun sa $5. So, $2.65 ang $2.65. Binalikan tayo nila ng $5 register reward. So, free itong ating 4 na item at the same time money maker siya guys kasi binalikan tayo ng $5. Okay, so excuse, tabi. So next is ito naman, dito tayo sa ating Old Spice. Okay guys, itong ating Old Spice at yung ating Olay guys, same sila ng self promotion nila na kapag bibili ka ng dalawa is bibigyan ka nila ng $4 register reward. So, ipapakita ko siya guys. So, ito siya dito. Okay, when you buy 2, you get $4 register reward. So, 2 for 12 siya guys. So, dapat bibili ka talaga ng dalawa. Okay? So, ito yung aking second transaction. So, yung total niya is $12 and then pasok siya doon naman. Ito na yung aking pangalawang account. So, ito na yung aking second transaction. So, pasok siya sa banga. So, yan. Okay. So, $12 and then $5 off na naman tayo dito kasi pasok siya sa 12. And then, mayroon tayong coupon, digital coupon na $4 off 2. So, ima-minus natin yan ngayon. So, 12 minus 9 equals $3 na lang. Okay? So, plus tax, $3.56. And then, nag-redeem tayo ng 3,000 points o $3. So, 56 cents na lang yung ating binayaran. So, as you can see dito, ito yung aking opening balance, 56,180. Ito yung ating redeem. So, ito na lang yung natira kong balance. So, even though nagbayad tayo ng 56 cents, is may natanggap na naman tayong $4. So, free again and at the same time, money maker siya guys. Okay, so excuse. So, dito na tayo ngayon sa ating pangatlong transaction, guys. Okay? So, ito yung ating pangatlo. So, dito guys is 2 ole yung aking binili at itong 3 wipes. So, yung total ko dyan is $19.50. So, pasok siya doon sa ating $5 off 15. Okay? So, again, kapag bibili ka ng dalawa, is bibigyan ka nila ng ganito. So, and then yung Pampers naman guys is 3 for $7.50. So, ito siya. And then may coupon tayo guys. Ito yung coupon ng ating, doon yan makikita sa IBC. Asa na yun? Oh my goodness. So, ito na yun siya guys. Yan. May coupon tayo dito guys na $1.50 off. Okay, so need mong bumili ng 3 or ito. Okay, so 3 yung binili ko para ma-qualified tayo dito sa coupon. So, yung total nga natin yan is $19.50. Pero guys, so yung binayaran ko na lang is 16 cents. So, paano ko na naman ginawa? Papakita ko sa inyo yung ating resibo. Ito siya. Yung ating Olay, $12, dalawa. Okay? Yung ating Pampers, $7.50. At yung ating IVC store coupon is $1.50. So, pasok siya doon sa $5 off 15. So, yan. And then yung ating digital coupon na $4. So, subtotal is $9 plus tax na $1.16. So, total niya is $10.16. And then, nag-redeem tayo ng 10,000 points or $10. So, yung binayaran ko na lang is 16 cents. Okay? Balance points, 53,220. Nag-redeem tayo ng 10,000. So, naging 43,250 na lang. Okay? Kahit nagbayad tayo ng 16 cents, may natanggap na naman tayong another $4 kasi sa ating Olay. So, free at the same time, money maker guys. So, excuse natin dyan. Okay, so next, aking last na, guys, transaction guys is $21.96. So, ipapakita ko muna sa inyo yung ating deal sa, Tide. Okay? Ayan. Buy 3 at $4.99, get 1 free. Okay? So, yung total ng 3 guys ng ating Tide is around $14 and something. And then yung isa is free na lang. And then yung atin namang tissue is $5 at itong ating ito guys, ito na lang yung $1.99. So yan, ang total natin dyan is $21.96. Pero guys, hindi ako nagbayad ng ganoon kalaki again. So yung binayaran ko na lang dyan is 95 cents. So paano ko ginawa guys? Okay? Remember guys, may mga nakuha tayo ditong register reward. Okay? May mga nakuha tayo ditong register reward. Ito $5. Ito $4. At ito na naman is $4. May nakuha tayong mga ganito siya. Okay? So, yung $5 na nakuha ko dito at yung isang $4 na nakuha ko dito is ginamit ko dyan para males yung ating babayaran at the same time hindi na ako mag-redeem ng malaking points sa aking account para hindi maubos yung ating points. Okay? So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung ating resibo. Okay? So, yung Downy, Tide, $4.99. Pababa yan. At ito siya is 0 kasi free na lang to siya. Okay? And then, yung ating tissue, $5. And then, ito yung sa store coupon guys, IVC. So, ito yung siya. Okay? So, yan. And then, Gerber na $1.99. So, pasok siya doon sa $5 off 20. So, yan. And then, yung ating coupon sa Tide, Downy, at Tide. So, $5 yun siya, guys. So, ito yung mga ginamit kong coupon pala, guys. So, mga ganito siya. Okay? And then, yung ating mga register reward, yung $5 saka yung $4. So, ito siya. $5, $4. So, yung total na lang niya is $1.71 plus tax is equals to $2.95. So, nag-redeem na naman ako ng another 2,000 points or $2. So, 95 cents na lang yung aking binayaran. Okay? So, 95 cents. So, as you can see, yung aking opening balance, 43,000. So, nag-redeem tayo ng 2,000 points. So, yung atin na lang natirang balance is 41,380. Okay? So, yan. So, yan siya, guys. So, yung total lahat guys ng aking nilabas na pera is $4.32. Even though $4.32 lang yung ating nilabas na pera, guys, still mayroon pa tayong isang $4 na register reward. And then, yung points lahat na nagamit natin is 20,000 points or equivalent yun sa $20. And, yeah, not bad, guys, for my, not bad na siya, guys, kasi, $4.32 lang yung ating out of pocket, guys. Imagine, guys, ang dami na. Ang dami na. Supposed to be sana yung babayaran natin dito is $65.73, pero ginawa natin ng paraan. Kaya, mura na lang yung ating nabayaran. Okay? Kapag ginamitan nga natin ng points. So, ito na siya, guys. So, that's it, guys. If interesado ka pang malaman ang about pag-coupon is please subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification para ma-update ka sa ating bagong video at saka pwede mo ding i-like at i-share sa iyong mga friendship. So, that's it, guys. Thanks and bye-bye.